to the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
Alright, welcome back to Fanny Computer Hub. So I want to also show you another way you can remove the background of an image. Okay, instead of you using remove.bg.com, you can use another application. This is the name of the application. Let me type it here. This is Photoroom. Can you see it? Click on it. Okay, this is a powerful application. Okay, you can even use the free version and still achieve more things. Click on start from photo, then select the image that you want to remove the background from. Let's say I want to remove, let me see a way to select this image. Let's say I selected this image now. Okay, I select this image. Let's say this image. Okay, I see now it has removed the background. I see now. So once it has removed this background, this is white. I see white below. If I click on white, it means that it will add white background to this image. This is black. If I click on it, it will add black background. Then this is transparent. That means no background. I have to click on transparency. Okay, so and then click on export. Being I'm using the free version now, I will click here to remove this. Okay, then my export will come up. Then I'll click on save to gallery. Then it will save to my phone gallery. Then if I want to share it to maybe to someone on social media, I can click on share, or I can even use this shares. Okay, I can click on share and share. Okay, or I will just click done. Okay, so that is it. Once I go over to my gallery now, I'll be able to see it, but you're not going to see it under download. When we use remove.bg, we're able to see the after effect under download, but this one you're going to see it on a Photoroom folder. Can you see it here? Photoroom folder, can you see it? So that is it. That is actually how to remove Photoroom. There is other effects that you're going to can use Photoroom to do, but in the consequence trainings, I'm going to show you more things to do on that. All right, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share this video.